Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you are here, chances are you have been through something incredibly painful. Someone you trusted, loved, or leaned on walked away, and now you are left with a hole that feels impossible to fill. Abandonment. It's one of the deepest emotional wounds we can experience. But here's the truth, your story doesn't end here. Today we are going to talk about what really happens when someone abandons you, why it feels so unbearable, and most importantly, how to not just survive it, but rebuild stronger, more grounded version of yourself. Stick with me until the end because this is going to be a turning point for many of you. Let's begin with what abandonment really is. It's not just someone leaving. It's the emotional aftermath that lingers. It's the sudden silence after daily conversation. It's the confusion, the question that what did I do wrong and the why doesn't I enough? Whether it was a romantic partner, a friend or a parent or someone else important. Abandonment activates our primal fear of being alone. It can shake the foundation of our self-worth and make you question your value. But the thing is, you were never the problem. Their departure says more about them than it ever will about you. Maybe they couldn't handle your depth. Maybe they weren't equipped to stay. Or maybe they weren't simply meant to walk you with your journey. It hurts, yes, but it also reveals the crack in the foundation that now you have the power to heal. Abandonment can trigger grief, anxiety, self-doubt, or something even rage. It can even feel like you are too much. You might isolate yourself, stop trusting people, or even sabotage good relationships because you are afraid of being left again. The response is normal, but it's not permanent. Understanding your emotional landscape is the first step towards healing. When you suppress your feelings, they fester. But when you give them a space, name them and sit with them, they begin to soften. So cry if you need to, journal your pain. You don't need to act like you are okay when you are not. This isn't about pretending, it's about processing. Now let's talk truth. Some people aren't meant to stay. We often think that when someone leaves, it's a reflection of our flaws. But what if it's a reflection of our growth? People come into our life to serve a purpose. Some teach us joy, some teach us pain, and some they teach us how to let go. It's painful but necessary. You see, not everyone is meant to go with you to the next level. And sometimes rejection is redirection towards something or someone better aligned with your future. You don't need closure from them. You need peace within you. This is where your power begins. You may not have chosen the pain, but you can choose what comes next. Here's how to start rebuilding. Reconnect with your own growth. Affirm daily. I am not defined by who stayed or who left. I'm enough. Write it, speak it, feel it until you believe it. You can even try mirror work. Look at yourself every morning and say, I deserve love. I am proud of how far I have come. Develop self-trust. After abandonment, we often question our instincts. How did I not see this coming? Or why did I trust them? Start small. Keep promise to yourself. If you say you will go for a walk, go. If you say you will eat better or take time to rest, do it. When you follow through on small goals, you train your brain to feel safe with you again. Trust is a muscle, and you are rebuilding it rep by rep. Redefine love and connection. Love isn't people pleasing. It's not just about proving your worth to someone who couldn't see it. It's about being seen, valued, and respected without conditions. Surround yourself with people who make you feel emotionally safe. And most importantly, begin giving yourself the love you once begged for. That means setting boundaries, saying no, and prioritizing your mental peace. Create rituals that heal. Structure brings back a sense of safety, especially after chaos. Start your morning with rituals. Stretch, breathe, journal. End your night with gratitude, reflection, or simply putting your phone away and sitting with your own thoughts. You can also explore creative healing like painting, dancing, music, or poetry. Creativity is a powerful way to process emotion without needing to find the perfect words. Invest in your future self. Take up that course you have been eyeing. Start working on your body, mind, or skill set. Not for revenge or to prove the energy you once poured for someone else. Pour it into you now. Your goals, your peace, your growth. The chapter is about rebuilding, brick by brick. And with every step you take, you are not just surviving, you are rising. you can move forward without carrying the bitterness. Resentment will keep you emotionally tied to the person who hurt you. Forgiveness isn't about excusing their actions. It's about freeing yourself from their grip. Let go, not because they deserve peace, but because you do. Channel your pain into purpose. Help others who have felt what you have left. Turn your experiences into a catalyst for growth, empathy, and wisdom. The best revenge isn't proving them wrong. It's proving yourself right, that you were always worthy, always enough, always resilient. To anyone watching this, feeling abandoned and broken, you are not alone. Healing is messy, it's not a straight line. But every time you choose yourself, speak to yourself kindly, and take one more step forward, you are healing. And one day you will look back and realize that the person who left gave you the greatest gift, the chance to meet the most powerful version of yourself. If this video helped you in any way, share this someone who needs to hear this, and let me know in the comments. What's one thing you are doing today to choose you? Don't forget to like, subscribe. I will see you in the next one.